With mitigating factors such as poor drainage, increased water filtration, tree removal and previously placed ungraded fill, this section adjacent to Cambridge Road slipped 40 metres down the bank during an extreme weather event.
With the slip only half a metre from the edge of the road seal, Tauranga City Council required a quick to construct, cost-effective solution that would blend in with the steep surrounding land, as well as have adequate drainage to counter the reason for the original slip. This 10.2 metre high, 24 metre wide tiered green face DuraMesh MSE wall was designed using StrataGrid reinforcement geogrid. It incorporated two 70-degree sections with panels and the upper 45-degree DuraGreen MSE section without panels. With a minimum 12 kPa surcharge loading, it would also have a safety fence running along the top beside the road. To meet the original slope angle of the land before the slip, the three wall faces will be separated by a 3 metre and a 1.5 metre flat section. DuraFlow drainage composite will be placed between the cut face and the engineered fill, with bio-wool placed behind the panels to help with vegetation. Once all the slip debris was removed, Cambridge Road was reduced to one-way traffic and rerouted for those coming the other way. Access within the site was limited to a thin section adjacent to Cambridge Road. The entire wall was stabilised using StrataGrid reinforcement strips, extending back 6 metres at 250mm lifts. As DuraMesh constructed with StrataGrid is strong enough to work on once compacted and tested, a steep access track was created to the lowest level so contractors could use the reinforced zone as their platform while constructing the wall. To further manage stormwater, new road curbs and channels were installed on both sides of the road, with all collected stormwater directed to the bottom of the slope via a 300mm PVC pipe attached to the exterior of the wall. As this was the first DuraMesh wall that heavily soiled earthworks had constructed, Cirtex were always available on site to offer construction assistance. Heavily soiled earthworks have done a great job, finding the panels easy to install and are looking to use DuraMesh as an MSE solution in further construction.